Hey guys, Dave Boyd here. I was walking through shipping and there's a tank here in this box, and I thought this would be a good time to do an educational video of maybe just the contents of the package, and to kind of show where the items might be depending on the options that you chose. So let's take a look at this. Okay, so here's a typical C10 tank in the box right before all the peanuts go in it. And you can see that this one here is a non-EFI. It's got a pickup tube in it that's new for 2021. This is going to be a bed fill version. And so you can see we've got a paper packet. We tape it directly to the tank itself, and we do that so that the packet doesn't get lost somewhere in the package. That's the easiest thing to get lost, and it's the hardest to find in all these peanuts. In here, in the contents of that bag, you usually find all your instructions, maybe for your warranty for your pump if you bought an EFI. This one here is going to come with just a diagram of each of the fittings. It's got the thread sizes, the locations. It will show what it might look like if it was a side fill. Comes with a koozie and a sticker. So don't disregard that, and that's a good reference paper for any of your to reference the tank itself and what you ordered. So if you ordered a mount kit, that mount kit is going to come its own separate box, and it's usually put right on the mounting tab right within the tank, and that can be on either side of the tank. It doesn't really matter, but we usually put it on the left side. If you ordered a floor fill kit, and I'm just grabbing these off of the shelf so the video is kind of moving around, you'll see that these come in two different boxes. So we label the boxes, box 1, box 2, and we typically put them in the back of the tank. And we stuff it full of peanuts a little bit better than what I'm doing here. This is just to kind of demonstrate the general location. So once we have it in there, we'll go ahead and fill this thing completely full of peanuts and shake it all nice and tight. Now, if this box comes and it's not damaged in any way and all the peanuts are still within the box, then more than likely the contents are still in there. So you need to sometimes fish around for the different boxes, and you can read your packing slip that comes on the outside of it if you forget exactly what you ordered. So the point here is just make sure that when you pull the tank out and before you discard this box with its peanuts, that you make sure that you've gotten all the contents out of it and you don't accidentally throw those boxes away or forget that that's in there. So if that helps, hopefully it'll help avoid any lost parts or anything like that. If you have any questions or you think you are missing parts, you can always email us at sales@boydwelding.com.